Hello students, welcome back to another video in my channel Wishy's Academy. In this video, we will discuss a beautiful poem, Two Sunflowers Move in the Yellow Room, written by William Blake. So before starting a poem, kindly press the like and subscribe button and also the bell icon to get the latest updates of my upcoming videos. So students, let's start a poem. Oh William, we are weary of weather, said the sunflowers shining with dew. Our traveling habits have tired us. Can you give us a room with a view? They arranged themselves at the window and counted the steps of the sun, and they both took root in the carpet where the topaz tortoises run. So students, this poem is written in a personified manner. Now what is personification? Personification means when a writer gives human-like qualities to something other than a human. Okay, or we can say that personification is a method which human qualities are assigned to non-human objects. पर्सोनिफिकेशन वो मेथड होता है जिसमें नॉन ह्यूमन ऑब्जेक्ट्स को ह्यूमन क्वालिटीज जब कोई पोएट असाइन करते हैं तो उसको बोला जाता है पर्सोनिफिकेशन. लाइक इन दिस पोएम द पोएट गेव द ह्यूमन क्वालिटीज टू द टू सनफ्लावर्स दैट आर स्पीकिंग and expressing their views to the poet. That can be possible only in the poem, but in reality, flowers cannot talk. So, in the poem, the two sunflowers move in the yellow room. The sunflowers are personified. Okay, students, now let us understand the summary of the poem. The sunflowers are talking to the poet, saying they are tired of the changing weather and being outside. They say that they are tired of traveling habits all the time. They are traveling all the time and now they want to have a stable environment. So they are asking for a room with a view. Like if we compare this from real life, we can say that like we humans, we are very experienced. We see many situations in our life and sometimes we feel like now we want to be in a stable environment and enjoy the beauty of nature. So in that way, sunflowers are expressing their views. Now, in the fifth line, they are saying that they will arrange themselves in a room with a window. The two sunflowers are saying that after arranging themselves at the window, they will count the steps of the sun as the sun moves across the sky. Now, in the last two lines, the sunflowers are saying that although they are positioned in a vase, they also take the root in the carpet, moving as slowly as the woven topaz tortoises there. So what are topaz? Topaz is basically a mineral that is usually a yellow in color. And tortoises, why he represents tortoises in his poem? Because tortoises are slow moving. In the last three lines of the poem, the sunflowers are comparing the sunlight with the topaz tortoises as sunlight moving slowly across the ground. So students, I hope you got the summary of the poem. If you have any query, you can comment in the comment section given below. Thank you. Take care.